Hello, insurance company.
Yes.
My bike was an accident. How can I get my claim?
Sir, first you must go to the bikecare service center, and after that, they will give a quotation. Then we will check and approve it.
Hello, mister.
Yes, sir. How can I help?
Today my motorcycle had an accident. Can I get a quotation?
Yes, of course. We can arrange your quotation. Please come with me. Sir, now someone from the insurance company will come and give you approval. Wait a moment.
Okay.
Mister, we approve this quotation. You can start the repair. Okay, let's get started now. We just finished repairing your bike. You can bring it now.
Thank you so much. You have repaired my bike very well. Your work is very fast and efficient.
Thanks again. I'll be back.
Bike care.